Hey, my name is Gabe with Logan Services. I've been a lead plumber here for 2 years. And today we're going to talk about basics of water softener maintenance. This here is your mineral tank, and this here is your brine tank. Every month you're going to want to check your brine tank to add some salt to it. I typically tell my customers to keep this halfway full, that way you don't create a salt bridge inside of here. What a salt bridge is when you have your brine solution at the bottom of the tank and you create an air gap by putting too much salt in here and it compacts itself down, so your water softener wouldn't properly operate. Water softeners are set to regenerate, and simply what that means is it's regenerating your mineral tank and cleaning any of the resin or media inside of this thing, and that's what keeps your water soft. It's set to regenerate every 7 days, or it's based on the amount of gallons of water that you use. When it regenerates, it flushes those resin bed and the media clean, and then it basically resets itself to allow you to have X amount of gallons of soft water. If you guys have any questions about how to maintain your water softener, please give us a call.